Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have an offer, this 1964 Triumph TR-4 convertible. It's finished in this lovely bright signal red, tan interior, 4-speed, wire wheels, roll bar, black tonneau cover. And this car has just been the recipient of a total ground up, body off the chassis restoration. Every single thing on this car has been renewed. We've got photos of the car, off the frame, all the front and rear suspension rebuilt, driveline rebuilt, wiring, chrome, rubber, interior, windshield, glass, wheels, tires, brakes, suspension, hubs, knockoffs, you name it. So we purchased this car up in Clovis, California, up in kind of near Fresno, and came from a very good seller, very passionate British car enthusiast, and this was his labor of love. Did a full nut and bolt granite restoration. This car has just been freshly completed. We've been we've been doing some light tuning and adjustments. It does need a couple finite, just getting the panels to fit maybe a little bit better, just playing with some light adjustments like door catches and things like that. But a really lovely, exceptional ground up restoration. So let's walk around here. I don't think I can find really a blemish on the paint anywhere. Really, really good paint. Really attractive in this original shade of signal red, with this tan interior. It's fitted with some powder coated 60 spoke wire wheels there, with nice new aggressive BF Goodrich radials. Yeah, so really great paint all the way around. Like I was saying, it just needs a little bit of fine tuning where the hood needs to be snagged down. You can see it's a little bit proud at the back there, but just real easy stuff on such a beautiful car. So all new chrome work, new grille, badges, headlamps, chrome strips, brand new windshield, all new rubber fitted. You can see all new escutcheon, all new header rail. Just all the fittings are brand new. Just a really lovely restored TR-4, nut and bolt from the chassis up. Please look at our still photos, because we're going to show you proof that this car was body off the chassis. Thorough restoration. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So here we have a fully restored interior. All the dash has been renewed. Carpets, Moss Motors panel kit in tan, matching seat kits in tan vinyl. This is all a Moss Motors expensive upholstery kit. A brand new roll bar has been bolted in for safety's sake, but that's easily removable. All carpets are new. Steering wheel looks new. All the crash pads, dash top pad, all these door fittings are brand new. You can just see all the freshness of all the new nuts and bolts. The quality of the repaint looks great. All new door seals. Shut that door, and you're going to be thoroughly impressed. I keep forgetting TR6s are this side and TR4s are this side. You're going to be thoroughly impressed what's under the hood here. This is just a complete show quality engine compartment. So this is what separates the men from the boys on a TR4 restoration. So you can see here, just in detail, everything has just been completely removed, painted, all new nuts and bolts, everything cat plated, fresh horns there, completely rebuilt set of carburetors. There's a high torque starter hiding under there, new generator, all new cooling system, rebuilt engine, battery, wiring harness, all completely renewed. Let's take a look around the other side. We'll look at some more components. Yeah, completely restored wiper motor, all new brakes, brake lines, rebuilt steering, new chassis plate there, We do have the original factory chassis plate in the glove box. But there's another look at that engine. There's another look at that lovely engine compartment. So basically, show quality engine compartment in here, ready to take to the next Triumph show. But looking here in detail, you know, new fuel pump, spin-on oil filter, all new clips, clamps, cables. Lovely job here. And there it is. There's that show quality engine compartment. So yeah, very, very impressive ground up TR-4, ground up restoration, hardly needing anything at this point. Just maybe, you know, an afternoon of some fettling and fine tuning, maybe some light panel gap adjustments, but really, really exceptional, lovely thing. Total ground up restoration. Yeah, have a look at our still photos, and we've also got some images from the seller showing the body being lifted off the chassis. But there it is, 1964 Triumph TR-4 convertible, signal red, tan interior, black carpets, black tonneau cover, 4-speed, 60-spoke, powder-coated silver wire wheels, recipient of a total nut and bolt, body off the frame restoration. Excellent car. You can see me driving this, preceding this walk-around video. Pretty superb driver, tight, fast, clean, tons and tons of power. This engine's just breaking in nicely. Great slick shifting rebuilt gearbox. You know, everything attended to, and this car is settling in very nicely. It's for sale right now on our website. An expensively done total ground out restoration. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.